What's up, guys? So here we are with another AMC video, and what a ridiculous day it was, guys. AMC stock absolutely mooned as high as $72, almost broke past $73 today. And if we take a look now in after hours, the stock is around $68, guys. So just an absolute monster of a day. The stock was up 95% in the trading day. And guys, congratulations to everyone out there who's been following my channel since February. You know, I talked about buying AMC stock at around $6. Now, if you guys have held, you guys are up 10x, going on, almost 1,000% gains, guys. And it's just been an epic run, guys. Before we get into the video, I remind you guys to grab your 2 free stocks over at Webull by going to investortrip.com/Webull and grab your free Bitcoin as well. I'm going to investortrip.com/Coinbase. So let's do a little bit of a recap of what took place today. So if we head over here to Reuters, it says shares of retail favorite AMC nearly double. Company woos investors with free popcorn. So the price doubled today, and AMC closed up at $62, a fresh record at around $28 billion. So obviously there's a lot of things that took place today, okay? So there was a huge, I think we had a bit of a short squeeze. So the short squeeze is finally looks like it's on. The stock nearly doubled in price. And it looks like, I'm guessing that there was a lot of, a few shorts that closed, but taking a look at Ortex's data, that's like the shorting data that I'm about to show you guys, it looks like that the shorts have actually added to their short position. So we could see another epic day, maybe even Thursday and Friday as well. And some other cool things happen. Okay, the AMC CEO Adam Aron, he announced an initiative that as long as you have even one share of AMC, you guys can go there and get a free popcorn and some perks. So it's just nice to see the CEO kind of taking a playbook, play out of Tesla's playbook, and really using Twitter and social media to connect with its shareholder base. So even me, even myself, I think theater should have already offered a complimentary popcorn, just for buying a movie ticket. It just seems like, it seems a little bit, greedy that I have to pay for a movie ticket and get the popcorn. So definitely seeing, the good thing is that obviously the CEO is engaged with the community. We're now over 3 million shareholders. So it doesn't matter whether you own one share of AMC or you own 10,000 shares of AMC. We're all a part of the same community, and it's just really nice to see finally the 99%, the average Joe is finally getting some money in this squeeze. So what we're also looking at is we're looking at potentially a gamma squeeze. So what a gamma squeeze is basically when the options cause the market makers to simply buy the stock. So as you can see here, it explains it. So some of the upward price move in AMC is likely being driven by market makers buying up stock to hedge their exposure from selling options, an event known as a gamma squeeze. People have learned what tactics work under these insane circumstances. They're using a very similar playbook, okay? And the options market was ridiculous, guys. You could have really made a lot of money. I saw a lot of people on Reddit. They were up $20,000, $30,000, $40,000, $100,000, $300,000. Some people became millionaires today. And that's basically because there was a huge wealth transfer, okay? So far today, it says bearish investors were down over $5 billion on AMC this year and nearly lost $3 billion in Wednesday alone, guys. This was a historic date, and so many things took place. And everything was popping today. I've never seen a day like this. This kind of reminds me of January, but it's a little bit bigger than that. So let's head over to Ortex, okay? So Ortex is like one of the data providers that provides a lot of information on short interest and things like that. So they said today 10 of the most shorted stocks in the U.S. brought losses of short sellers of $5 billion today. AMC, Bed Bath & Beyond, and GameStop contributed $3.85 billion in these losses. And if you take a look here, it says AMC's market cap was $426 million at the start of the year. Now it's $31 billion. That's an increase of 7,000%. To give you guys an update on the short interest, as you can see here, it says the estimated short interest around 18% of the float. And the shorts actually increased their borrowing. They borrowed an additional 2.6 million shares, even though their losses were almost 3 billion. So it looks like the shorts are really just getting emotional now, and they're really fighting this trend. Okay, so maybe they're shorting more to kind of try to get back some of their losses. But I think there's a huge thing that is really important. I want to talk about this a little bit more in depth. So if we take a look at this website called Unusual Whales, this is tracking the social media interest, especially on Reddit. And as you can see here, AMC is the second most talked about stock on the entire social media platform. And the fact that the CEO of Reddit is coming out and engaging with the shareholder base, this is something that, like I mentioned earlier, Tesla's doing. And it's something that's so smart because it's going to encourage people to hold on to their shares, okay? So a lot of people buying AMC stock were thinking, okay, I'll just sell it when it gets much higher. But now that you're getting perks and free popcorns and things like that, they're really engaging with us. And that's going to keep us around for the long haul. So in hindsight, I feel kind of foolish for selling half of my stake and taking half of my profit back. I probably should have just let the stock ride, but like I said, I'm still holding half of my position, so I'm not holding half a share, I'm holding half of my stock. And the good thing is that I'm willing to go very long on this, okay? The CEO, Adam Aaron, he hasn't sold a single share. There's a lot of you guys out there in the community, you've bought around, I've been reading your tweets, you guys have bought around $2, $5, maybe $6 like me, or maybe you got in a bit later, maybe you got in at $10, $20, $30. Wherever you got in at, this thing has the potential to go a little bit higher. So now I'm going to talk about some of the risks. Okay, this was an epic day, guys, and it was just so emotionally exhilarating to see this finally play out. I felt like a fool for buying AMC stock back in March and just watching it flatline, but my patience and our patience especially is starting to reward off. And if you guys are new to my channel, please smash the red subscribe button so you guys can get updates. We have a lot of stocks that I've covered over the last month or two that are really ripping. I mentioned AMC when it was $6 on this channel on February 11th. I talked about Workhorse, guys. I published a video last month. I think it was like May 13th. Workhorse was at like $7, $8. I said it was super undervalued. It looks like that stock is taking off now. So, while I'm not, my track record isn't 100%, guys, I have nailed some of these plays due to my due diligence and just doing a fundamental technical, but also kind of a general analysis of these companies, what their potential is, and if there's decent gains in it for you guys. So be sure to smash the red subscribe button to receive future updates from me, because I know the majority of these viewers watching this video are new to the channel. So I want to welcome you to our community. We're 17,000 strong, and we really appreciate it if you guys subscribed and rode along for the journey. So now, guys, everything obviously I've talked about AMC is rosy. So now let's talk about some of the potential downside risks, because with every good situation there's also weaknesses, cons, and risks. But one of the biggest risks that points out to me, guys, is the RSI. So this is something that when I'm swing trading or short-term trading, I pay attention to, okay? So the last time AMC popped, the RSI was around 95 or so, and now we're at those same levels. So from a technical standpoint, AMC stock is getting super popular, okay? The volume was 765 million. There is some risk here, and I've been doing a lot of reading. A lot of you guys are cycling out of AMC stock. You're moving into BlackBerry. You're moving into this company called ticker symbol CLOV, and there's even some Juneteenth stocks, some black-owned companies like Urban One and Broadway Financials, or Urban One ticker symbol UONE, and Broadway Financial BYFC. Some of these stocks could pop on Juneteenth, which is June 19th. It's like the biggest holiday in the African American community, okay? And then you have some other stocks as well, some other meme stocks, obviously, like GameStop and things like that. So there are some risks here. This stock is super popular right now, and the last time it was trading at this type of RSI, we had a major crash. But things are green now, so I'm really torn, okay? So I had a price target of $120. We're basically halfway there. I'm really not sure what to do now, because from a technical standpoint, it's saying to sell. This thing is getting too popular. I could cycle into other things. But if the CEO's holding, if you guys are going to be holding, I already took back my money. I'm riding with profits right now. I'm up, a ridiculous 800-900% on my position. I'm just going to hold on to my shares, okay? I'm going to try to just basically, not get emotional about AMC and try to generate some profits in BlackBerry and some of these other stocks using a different account. But like I said, guys, things are looking really great. It's really hard for me to give you guys an accurate price target, because in my mind, $120 is like the sell zone, but I think it'll be $120 by August, and it looks like we could be heading towards $100 by the end of the week. So right now, I'm just riding the trend, guys. Let me know what you guys are doing. Once again, this is not financial advice. I'm not a personal financial advisor, guys. Please do not invest money you can't afford to lose, but we're making history here. This is like the short squeeze times 2, and this one is way bigger than the one in January when Robinhood basically deleted the buy button, guys. So we're making history here. It's just really awesome. Thank you so much, guys, for following my channel and following along for the journey. I really, really appreciate all of your guys' comments, all of your views. It really means the world to me. So thank you so much. And let's hope we can hit $75, maybe $100 this week. You know, we'll see where this thing goes. I'll be sure to keep you guys updated, okay? And if you guys want more real-time updates from me, be sure to check out my Twitter, okay, guys? I try to post some of my real-time trades and what things I'm doing on Twitter. I only have about 617 followers, guys, and I have like almost 18,000 on this channel. So it'd be really great if some of you guys subscribe to my Twitter so I can give you guys some more real-time updates, things like that. But of course, I'm going to let you guys know which stocks were up for the day to give you guys a nice cheat sheet for tomorrow's trading session, guys. So that's until next time. Take care.